Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com. Coming to stock market yesterday, we could see the Adani stocks continue to fall. In fact, Adani Enterprise was down by almost 10% yesterday. Probably the George Soros attack. We can't say anything about it, but then, yes, Adani Group, when it fell, as we discussed yesterday, the banks did fall, and there was a major weakness in the bank nifty, and that led to the fall in the Indian market. In fact, the fall was led by the HDFC Twins and Reliance. So these were three stocks which were the top draggers for the day yesterday, and which brought the market down. But then, one important thing to notice is the India VIX is not going up. That means the fear factor is not really going up in the market, and that simply means probably there is a very less fall further ahead. So that is something that's kind of indicating some light at the end of tunnel. So probably there are chances that the market is not going to fall much. But however, like I always say, we can never predict the market, but just go with the flow of the market. So let us just assume that if the market is taking support at 17,800, it will be good. But then if the market breaks 17,800 on the lower side, then we could see further fall to an important level of 17,700. But if 17,700 is broken, then I would say the major support comes only at 17,400. So this is how I'm looking at the market right now. But the way the things are looking at yesterday, I feel that the markets are going to continue to consolidate, and market is just waiting for a positive, news that can actually take it higher. So market is just kind of waiting for that. So I'm sure, any short sellers who are sitting with shorts in the market may not be happy for too long a time. So that's something which is expected. On the higher side, again, 18,000 now continues to be a resistance. And if that is broken, 18,200 will be next major resistance. So these are two levels I'm watching on the higher side, apart from the lower side. So of course, our trades at Gold Club is also based on these levels, and we are already kind of sitting with some decent profit for this week. So looking forward to a good week unless there are some big moves. Of course, sorry. Of course, big moves are expected this week because of the monthly expiry that's coming up. So let's see how things take a turn. However, for the day, yesterday, of course, the US markets were closed. So for the day, there is nothing major to be looking at. So SGX Nifty is already indicating a slight, upside move. So hopefully, let us see some recovery. However, the US markets should be full focus because some of the Federal Reserve members are actually talking in the next few days, which is going to be little crucial because they might be giving some hints on what could be coming up in the next monetary policy. And there are also the minutes of monetary policy which will be released in the US. So until these details are coming out, we may not see a stable market. So naturally, if you look at yesterday also, we could see how volatile the day was. So things are not great for a trader right now, but of course, we could see some good opportunities to invest yesterday also. So these are few things which can actually help us consistently investing into the market makes a difference. Like I've always said, no better time than now to go on an SIP mode of investment. So of course, things are looking decent for the market. So I'm not expecting very big fall, but of course the market can continue to consolidate for some more time. So that's the expectation. But however, the volatility is going to continue for sure. So let's see how the market actually takes it up, and looking forward to a great week ahead. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye.